Since the beginning of Muharram, there has been intense heat and power outage in response to both scheduled and unscheduled load shedding. MEPCO, in particular, has experienced the worst prolonged load shedding in multiple divisions, especially in Chaknam 95D, 96D, and 97D, making life unbearable for the people. With severe water scarcity, daily life has become paralyzed. The distressed public, already burdened with inflation, poverty, unemployment, heavy taxes, and unjustified tariffs, now do not even have access to electricity, which has made their lives unbearable and forced them into suicide. While load shedding and power outages have deprived people of holding spiritual gatherings during Muharram, frequent voltage fluctuations and power trips have also led to the burning of valuable electrical and electronic goods worth thousands of rupees. The frustrated public says that this country is no longer livable. The incapable government has broken our backs. The oppressed public, joining hands against the oppressive government, demands that all private electricity companies, including K Electric, be privatized so that significant improvements can be made to provide the people with at least a peaceful breath. Report by Mian Umad Razhans, PPO Digital.